E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de GTA V. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem um like, esperar que deixem um like, compartilhem o vídeo, participem da comunidade Discord. E é isso aí. Bom galera, hoje nós vamos começar mais uma gameplay de GTA V. Na última parte nós parou. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada. E a galera que estiver acompanhando pela Twitch, o meu canal principal chama Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, beleza? Anotado, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Bom galera, hoje nós vamos continuar as aventuras do modo história, talvez depois da última parte do roubo ao assalto, a invasão do FIB. É isso mesmo. Nós estávamos fazendo a invasão do FIB. É isso mesmo. Ah, tô escutando uma música aqui, peraí. Continua já a continuação do modo história. Vamos lá. Vamos continuar aqui quando nós parou. Ó, nós estávamos com o Trevor. Vamos ver aqui, o Ron tá tirando. Os bombeiros estão. Vamos ver que missões temos aqui. Vou fazer as missões da Trevor Enterprise. Fazer essas missões aqui.
Miss me!
Caralho. This man.
Speak to me, amigo! What's happening?
I got some new
atacar aqui o... Não tem movimento. Oh, transporte de nota. Deixa eu ver o que é hoje. Dá pra ver o dia de hoje. É o celular, Trevor. Durante a missão não pode, né? Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Nailed it. Back on top, man. That's all of them. You can fly back to the airfield.
Eu trouxe uma bem no barco.
Trevor Phillips Industries global expansion plan right on schedule. Diversification, the only way to survive in today's shadow economy.
Are you talking to me?
I never knew there was such a demand for weapons in the Sonora Desert. Aside from my personal requirements, of course.
This is the Wild West, man. It all goes through here now. Drugs come in, guns go out.
And they say we don't export anything anymore.
We can move products from Liberty City to Mexico City.
Deixa eu libertar aqui. Ah, tá a cidade do México.
Yet, I still can't get a pizza delivered to Sandy Shores.
Precisa de grana, né? Opa. Um hangar aqui, Trevor. Oh, o tráfico aéreo rendeu uma boa grana.
What quest awaits me now?
I have another pickup near the old rail station. Get over there before it falls to the wrong hand. I heard lots of Marabunta guys have been seen on there the last couple of days.
Consider it done. Oh, invisible master.
Vai tomar no cu, cara.
I lost the package.
You're going down. Okay, man?
I'm fine. Wish I could say the same for my visitors.
Nossa, dificuldade.
I'm looking at the scanner. You might have some trouble coming your way.
Yes, I'm officially being chased now.
Como é que eu já vou me ligar desse desgraçado? Nossa. Toma um presentinho pra vocês.
I got rid of those bastards.
Nicely done.
Cops are on me.
Ah, outra polícia. Pegar esse kart aqui, você vai em qualquer lugar. Aí conforme vai aumentando o tráfego de jogos, vai aumentando a dificuldade. Mas aqui não vão me perseguir. Uou!
You okay, man? I thought you'd be back by now.
Ok, o Acerto bem firme. Vamos dormir agora. Vou fazer essa missão do Essa aqui que ficou pra trás, ó. Matança. Que caçuda. Dentro da caminhonete aqui. Ah, você quer o quê? Confusão, meu amigo? Dormir pro próximo dia aqui. Vamos lá.
Just when I thought my day couldn't get any worse.
What kind of welcome is that, Melvin? You really are a
Melvin.
pitiful example of a man.
I've just had a bad day. I don't need to be bullied by you right now.
Why are you so miserable? I mean, it doesn't make for a
Como
dynamic
hoje é
sport
americano, agora que eu
experience.
prestei atenção.
Well, I live alone. I don't have any real friends to speak of.
Ó, ó, seu ódio, agora é fácil.
I don't actually want to know.
Okay. You ain't hit me yet, so that's a start. I think that you made the right choice.
Vamos ligar pra polícia de novo.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
Thank you.
Make it count.
It is over.
Where's my goddamn cover? Son of a bitch! Give it up!
I'm gonna bolt. Cover me.
Move in!
What a waste of time.
Son of a bitch!
Ó, tô com a vai atacar.
He ain't worth the fucking steam off my
Que da hora, cara.
dumb fuck!
Que da hora que é lá, cara. Foi o carro que... Aqui é um carro novo. A caminhonete minha tá furada o pneu.
Jesus!
Vamos fazer essa missão. Ô, dá licença aí, cara.
Oh, I am so sorry.
Nossa.
Oh, shit.
Não era isso, eu não queria isso agora.
Shit. Cops.
Caramba. Oh, matei uma pantera. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Uou!
It's gonna strip the screw there.
Ah, os
No, it's a nut,
soldados.
man. You just screw it back on. Hey, what are you doing here, citizen? I said, what are you doing here, citizen?
Nothing.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're clearly a tourist. Our friends from up north, eh? A boot.
Don't even say it like that.
There's a moose loose a boot. Fuck you, Hoosier. Hey, what's
Hey,
that?
fuck sense!
Oh, Jesus.
It's a faint fucking accent!
Fuck
I can
no.
hardly tell.
Insurgent, insurgent. We have contact. We have
Isso não,
contact.
isso não. Vem aqui, soldadinho.
What you gonna do?
Eu tô jogando aí.
This is why we don't win wars anymore. Why are you so scared of foreigners? Was in the Air Force. I serve my country. Attack! Really? For one Canadian?
Nossa, quero mais, quero mais. Uma bomba ambulante.
Glorified Boy Scout. Make it a fair fight.
Quero mais, quero mais. Cadê, cadê, cadê? Tô correndo, soldadinhos. Oh, não vai correr.
Make something of this.
Não vai correr de mim, não. Quero mais festa. Quero mais soldado. Trevor, caos completo. Na linha próxima do trem. Consegui também, polícia! Preciso achar o a linha do trem! Achei. Não vou me matar, desgraçado. É isso aqui que eu queria. É logo, trem. Ô, festinha. Deixa eu me livrar disso.
My name's Trevor! What's your name?
Sou o Trevor, inicia.
Let's party, gentlemen!
Porque esse jogo é sacana. Era os soldadinhos de chumbo.
Let's go!
Cut!
Mas eu quero mais. Pronto, eu já despistei a polícia. Tô demais, cara. Isso aqui é ser Trevor Phillips. Quer me pegar? Agora vem o exército quase em mim. 5 estrelas. Nossa. Vocês não vão me pegar. Nem aqui nem na China. Ah, eu posso caminhar tranquilo. Pô, esse jogo ele trola, cara. Tá passando um trem por vez, ó. Ó, você pode ver que isso aqui é sacana pra matar o Trevor. Passou um trem a cada menos 10 minutos. Vamos pro front, gente. Uhum.
I'm going, man, before you take advantage.
Vou fazer o paraquedismo, galera. Isso.
Oh, man!
Vamos subir aqui. Isso aqui não vai subir muito ainda. Olha só, galera. Vai cansar de subir escadas. É um degrau de escadas do caramba, hein? Olha o tour que eu já tô. Quantos anos esse prédio tá tentando construir, né? O Los Santos nunca termina. Ai, ai. Tá parado o tempo. Hum, hum, hum. Cadê? Sobe degrau, sobe degrau. Nós tô quase chegando no topo do prédio ao mês bem, que também é enorme. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Chegando quase no topo, galera. Não tá sincronizado as mãos, só. Tem que subir mais um pouco. Vamos lá, Frank.
I think
Tudo
this
que
was a
sobe.
good idea.
Uou! Tem que movimentar o caminhão. Ô, caramba! Ah, vai tomar no cu, cara. Que isso, essa bosta de direito? Aí, garoto. Oh não, não repetiu isso não. Caralho.
Hey, look, I'm tired of your shit. I'll kill all you punks.
Deixa a polícia lá.
Give me that thing right now.
Oh, hell no, you didn't.
Oh shit!
Now, here's what I like to see. A young man with an interest in the Second Amendment.
Polícia de novo.
Just what I need. Holy.
voltar pro Michael aqui pra ver como que ele tá. Vou fazer aquela missão. Oh, o Michael tá jogando game.
If I get clever, will I stop being hot?
Crazy.
Ricky from Life Invader.
Ricky.
Well, I know you'll find this hard to believe, but it's kind of difficult for someone with a middling GPA and bad references to get a job in this climate. You gotta help me.
Hey, if there's something, I'll call you. That's all I can say.
Pode me encher o
Good
saco,
luck
seu
out
cara.
there.
Rick do Live Invader. Cara, vamos fazer aquela missão do... A primeira vez eu vou deixar a prova de balas. É domingo hoje.
Oh, that baby fits like a condom. Snug.
Fazer essa missão, galera. Ah, aqui é o Kortz Center. Aquele encontro. Acerto pontos com o Steve Haines e Dave Norton. A gente vai fazer o encerramento. Vamos ver a conta do saldo do Michael mês tem 1 milhão de coisas lá. Tá bom. Vamos ver o Kortz Center, é a primeira vez que nós estamos vindo aqui, deixa eu ver. O Rudder, uma coisa, pay, tanto. A gente ficou combinar com o Dave Norton se encontrar. Tá escrito em mausoléu, putz.
Maybe that's why we're
David.
friends, huh? We're old school, we like old-fashioned things. Newspapers, celluloid.
Ah,
Good guys,
David.
bad guys.
Cara,
We're friends?
somos
I don't know,
amigos
you tell
agora.
me. We did what you said, right?
Fizemos o que você disse, não foi? Tiramos aquelas
Now
pessoas
you're
da
gonna
sua
do
conta.
like you said.
Agora você vai fazer o que prometeu.
Cut me loose,
Livrar eu
right?
e me libertar.
Things are not gonna work out quite that way.
As coisas não vão funcionar
There's a bit of a
exatamente
problem.
assim.
That's right,
problem.
Davey boy, you can say that.
Só deve
Steve,
Navy,
I
acho.
told you I would
Steve.
handle
Oh,
this.
because you've handled everything so fucking well so far, haven't you?
All right, I admit
Ah,
things have been a
Steve
little
Haines.
unorthodox, but
Fucking orthodox! You ruined my career! Agent Sanchez, arrest these men.
Ele já ainda
Oh, whoa.
please.
You fucking kidding me? Arrest me
Você
for
tá
what?
brincando comigo,
For
prender pelo
multiple
quê?
counts of every fucking
Porque
crime under the
múltiplos de
fucking
cada
sun.
coisa.
Oh, let me rephrase. Why?
Como é a frase? Por quê?
Because you don't want me to testify in
Porque ele
court.
não quer que eu vá ao testemunhar, amigo.
Right? Agent Sanchez, apprehend the suspect.
Agent
Aprenda o
Sanchez,
suspeito.
you'll do no
A
such
gente acha
thing.
que
Now,
você não
Steve,
fará
we
isso.
agreed
Olha,
to
Steve, nós
speak
concordamos
to
em conversar com o
Michael,
Michael.
to try and explain
Pra
things
tentar
to him.
explicar as coisas a
Not
ele.
this. This causes problems for us
Isso
all.
causa problema a todos nós. Ó, o Dave Norton, cada um tá
Put
com
your
tem
gun
um
down and
motivo,
we'll
uma
talk.
situação, né?
After you, buddy. Come on,
Você
where's
primeiro,
the
meu
truth?
chapa.
You can do
Ué,
better
cadê
than
a
that.
They know or
Esse
think
não é o
they
melhor
know that I'm
argumento.
the one that was behind the incident.
Fique por trás do
And now you
incidente,
want
né,
me
do
to clean up
FIB.
your mess again, right? Before I end up at the bottom of the
Antes
ocean.
de eu
Fucking
acabar
good luck
pagando
with
com
that.
o mar.
Put the weapons down, boys. Fun time is over.
Oh,
Anti-American activity.
é aquele cara.
Who the fuck are you with? With me?
Meu amigo, é
I knew you
FIB
didn't have the
traidor.
balls for this. For the record, I'm a
Ah, o
patriot.
FIB,
I
eu
love
sou
my country.
patriota.
Put the weapons down.
Apaguem as armas.
We all know you
Vai
agents
fuder.
and boys are ball deep in
Deixa a
the
gente
plot to drive
tem
up
o
your
pessoal de
money
gente
by
que
any
vai
means
aumentar o orçamento do último lugar. A Made Weather também apareceu.
Who the fuck are they? Fucking Merriweather. What are they doing here?
Steve, put your gun down.
Oh, same goddamn leg.
A gente acertou a gente antes.
Bullshit.
Puxa, caraca, velho.
I ain't going anywhere, Davey, until some more of these guys kill each other.
Calçado do FIB, da Made Weather. Que confusão do caralho.
What happened to Haines? He get caught in the crossfire? Who's on our side, Dave? Seems like everyone wants to kill us.
Todos querem nos matar, né? A Made Weather quer do FIB. Aí esse é o carro detetive, ó, do GTA 4. Bom, era, né? Queima vivo, meu amigo. Pra lá, Vitor, Dave. Ficou irreconhecível, né? Aquele cara lá do... Eu lembro, galera, esse cara aqui é do... Lá que fizeram missões com o Nico Bellic, GTA 4, comandando o FBI. Nossa! O Trevor vai ajudar. Aê, Trevor!
Anyone's gonna kill you, old friend! It's gonna be me!
Oh! You here to finish the job, T?
No, I'm just here for the opportunity!
Tô aqui
Now
pra
run!
Touching reunion and all, but I'm about to get jumped by a team of rogue agents. T, you got the vantage point. Give Dave a hand. Without me, the Bureau will be on you 24 hours a day.
This is the guy who iced Brad and would ice me? I'd be better off putting my sights on him.
Meu cachorro dele.
Here, and there's another group of agents looking into our shit. Right now, you're not in a position to let our only friend in the Bureau get killed. I can help you, Trevor.
Posso te ajudar, Trevor? Ah, Agente Haines. Matou o Brad.
How much attention you'll get if I go down today. You're by the reflecting pool. Without me, the Bureau will be on you 24 hours a day.
Em mim.
We're in this together. Do me a solid, T. I can help you, Trevor.
Olha o Dave Norton. Beleza, Dave. E você, ó.
Rogue agents, even more of them. You know how much attention you'll get if I go
Podia te
down
matar
today.
agora. Dave Norton e o...
They got a hard-on for me. I need 'em gone.
Looks clear. D, make a play for that stone bench by the pool. I'm coming down.
You really want to do this? Stand down.
Back off.
Get out of here, asshole. Live.
Any other divisions of government want to show up?
This is our shot. I'm making a run for the parking lot. Get clear or we'll talk. Jesus. Another guy with a chopper. How big is their budget? Someone's got to bring down the buzzard before it blows us up. Come on, it's over here. This many bodies, don't be close.
Vai, vai vir até
Put
aqui.
as much dirt between you and this place as you can. And do
Vamos
not
junto.
contact me until you're absolutely sure you're clear. I'm taking this one. So long.
Be careful, Davey.
Michael. Oh, aí sim. Foi emocionante essa perseguição. Quem diria, hein? O Trevor salvou a vida do Michael. Novamente, mesmo depois da briga. Caraca, velho. Vocês viram? O que você acha? O Trevor tá nessa. O Michael vivo, precisa pra aplicar o último golpe. No final, o Trevor acabou salvando a vida do Dave Norton, o mesmo cara que matou o Brad. Precisa dele vivo pra o FBI não ficar na cora dele, né? É isso aí, cara.
I just whacked this puppy!
That was fun.
Foi divertido. Oh, o Michael fumando.
Are you doing?
Por que você tá fumando, hein?
No, that's bad
No,
for
no,
you,
no,
don't
no.
you know, huh?
Yeah, well, maybe it's got a little something to do with being caught in the middle of a three-way firefight between two government agencies and a private militia. You know, it gets me a little stressed out.
Okay, but we still need you alive, Mikey boy. I mean, you know, at least for now. Unless, of course, you have another surprise for me. Huh? Maybe something to do with another inappropriate friendship?
That wasn't exactly Dave's fault.
No. He's just the friendly face of a corrupt government agency looking to further his career by dealing with an equally corrupt and full to the fucking brim with bullshit low-rent hood.
Tá, Marca, dá o
I
pescoço.
didn't mean it.
You know, I didn't
Escuta tudo agora.
What? Homie, what do you mean?
Que, meu irmão?
That you stabbed me in the back.
Você me apanhou pelas costas.
And
Ou que
always
você era e
will
sempre
be
será.
a worthless
Um descarado inútil que merece ir pra covas.
Yeah, but what the fuck did you come back for?
Por que diabo você voltou? Ah, você sabe o porquê.
one
Não.
last
O
score.
último golpe.
And if it goes good,
Se der certo,
I don't have to
adivinha
put a
só,
bullet in your
não tem
head.
que dar uma bala.
If it goes bad,
Mas,
that's okay
se
too.
der errado, tá
Because
tudo bem.
then you and I get to go
Aí
down.
você e eu vamos
And I
pra
get to spend the rest of eternity with you,
resto da
tormenting you.
eternidade, te
Guess
atormentando.
it's on.
Eu acho que vai rolar então.
I guess it is. Call Lester.
Eu
Let's
acho que sim.
go. On
Chama o Lester.
speakerphone.
Vamos ver a voz.
Hey, it's me.
I know.
Sou eu.
Just
Eu sei.
fabulous. Ran
Uma
into an old
maravilha.
friend.
Daí
In
de
fact,
cara
saved
com
my
velho.
ass.
Na verdade, ele me salvou.
Suppose a group
Somos
hug's
todos
out of the
amigos
question.
agora.
He wants to
Ele
still
quer,
on the final victory.
ainda quer dar a volta da vitória.
All right, when it looks like it's a go, I'll contact you. Remember this, gentlemen.
Eu lembro disso, senhores. Se conseguirmos, a gente vai entrar pra história.
Sordid, nasty, depraved history. But history, nonetheless.
All
Mas
right.
mesmo assim é história. Certo, pronto.
Happy?
Fucking thrilled.
Pra
Get
caralho.
amigo. Keep
Não se
flying.
esqueça, amigo. Estou de olho em você. Uhum.
This is Dr. Isaiah Friedlander.
I see some bad drivers, but you...
Vamos lá, temos um encontro com o Dr. Freelander. Vamos fazer a missão do Lamar.
Learn to play a fucking saxophone!
Oh, uou. Era uma aula como sempre. Ó, o carro faz isso, da hora. Vamos descansar um pouco.
Hey, boss, how you doing, Trevor? What's up, homie?
Hey, Trevor, these girls are real hospitable.
We definitely hanging
Vamos lá, vamos lá. Dormi, galera. Dormi um pouco. Passar as horas. Vamos lá, trocar com o Frank. Vamos trocar com o Frank.
Oh, man, this shit bomb.
Os lucros semanais. Deixa eu ver aqui.
Bullshit!
Troca de polícia. Vamos trocar de roupa. Trocar a roupa como do Frank. Lamar em perigo. Ah, binóculo, tá olhando. Ai, ai. Opa, tá batendo na porta. Quem que é?
Oh, hey!
Hey,
What you
Tanisha.
doing here? I mean, I'm real glad you're here. Come here.
I
Come
can't
on.
Aí,
stay.
do Franklin.
What's up, babe?
It's Lamar.
What that fool want now?
It's your best friend. He's your best fucking friend.
For real. My best friend. My homeboy, right? My nigga. Man, fuck you. I mean, not like that, man, but no, he ain't. He just another nigga from the hood. Him, stretching all the motherfucking clowns. All he wanna do is drag a motherfucker down and live in the past.
And this is the future? A big empty house with
future.
nobody who gives a fuck about you.
Shit, it works for me. It can work for you, babe.
I'm getting married, Franklin, to a doctor, not a murderer.
Then what the fuck you doing here, Tanisha?
I'm worried about Lamar. You gotta help him, Franklin.
Man, that shit is over.
Oh, I'm a legitimate businessman now, sister. I'm a CEO, an investor. I'm a Illuminati. I'm a fucking moron, nigga. You a phony fuck.
What?
I ain't saying you gotta marry a fool. I'm saying he's about to get killed over that deal you and him put on with Stretcher set him up.
Fuck, man, my whole fucking life I've been looking after this motherfucking paying the price afterwards. Fuck.
Well, at least do it one more time, Franklin, for me.
Nossa, cara.
For you? For you and your doctor?
I love you and Lamar. We grew up together, but this life ain't
I
for
love
me.
it,
You knew
Lamar.
that. You ain't changing. I don't care how many cars you own, how many apartments you own. I don't care how many diamonds you put in your ear. It ain't for me, not done bad or done good.
Hey, look, I'll change.
No, you won't, and that's fair enough, but at least respect what you do, who you are. If you let that idiot die, you a bigger asshole than I thought. Look, he's going up to some sawmill near Toledo Bay. You do what you gotta do.
Vamos ter que salvar o Lamar. Peraí. Vamos lá então.
Franklin, what's up?
Hey, man, I'm in a bit of a
Vem
bad
cá, todo mundo
situation.
passou.
My boy
Lamar
Lamar got
tá
set
tudo
up.
meu
I think
chapa
he'll
lá,
let
Lamar.
Toledo Bay some sawmill with some ballers. Could you like do
Ele
some
tá com ele
computer
embaixo.
magic and look into it? Is that possible at all?
Should be. I've got a back door to the Toledo
Lamar,
Bay
entrada.
Police Network left
Lamar
over from
tá
the score we
inteiro.
did up there.
Quem põe
Give me a
nessa
second
é o
here.
Federal.
Hold on. Yes.
So what it say?
This must be it. There are older reports of a weed operation being run by an African-American gang. The files got buried, so I'm guessing they paid off the cops.
They growing weed up there?
Growing it in the hills, most likely, but they might be packing and shipping it out of the sawmill. I'd expect a fair few of them up there.
Shit. And I'm gonna need some help. Can you
Fala
tell
pro
Mike
Mike
and
e pro
Trevor to meet me
Trevor
up there?
me encontrar lá
They
em
still aren't getting along that well.
Ainda
Tell
não
them it's
estamos
for
ficando
me,
muito.
and it's serious.
Agora que é pra mim, que é
Thanks,
sério.
man.
Valeu, cara. O Trevor e o Michael se encontrarem. O Michael e o Trevor são parceiros ainda. Nessa missão, o Michael lá vai acabar conhecendo o Michael. Não tem tanta amizade assim, mas vai acabar conhecendo. A gente vai encontrar naquela madeireira, não. Não pode cortar lá. É tipo uma madeireira moderna, né? Oh. Temos o Lost. É 7 horas da noite já. salvar o Lamar. Mas o Cleber deve ter chegado lá no local já. Vamos lá. Pera aí, galera, um negócio. Vamos lá, calma aí. Ah, deixa eu ver, doutor Freelance. Deixa eu ver um negócio. Ai. Michael Trevor estão aqui.
Hey, why'd you invite this stoolie, huh? We want Lamar to be rescued, not sold to the feds.
Give it a
Não vem,
rest, asswipe.
lógico,
Man,
não.
why y'all two shut the fuck up? Now let's take a look at this place, man. Lester said this was some type of big weed store spot.
Place is crawling with balls. Now, me
One.
and you, we don't mind the old bang warfare, but Suede Buck's over there.
Oh,
Trevor said bite me.
Man, I said shut up.
para, cara, a boca, mano.
Now I see the weed, but where the fuck is Lamar?
Então ainda não estão dando as
shit,
fases
there we
mais
go.
coisas pra...
But tell Trevor I'm gonna be up on this hill with
Oh,
a rifle. I don't want to be anywhere around him when he fucks this whole
Cara,
thing up.
quando ele puder, eu vou...
Classic, huh? He's already
tipo
planning
dele.
his escape. Oh, I'm gonna find a way in.
Vamos fazer isso pelo Lamar.
I saw a few possible entry points when I got here. One, the front entrance on the right there. It's the most direct way in and most likely the heaviest. Two, down the hill to my left. There's a bulldozer there. Might be able to use it in the assault. Three, the other side from me, by the railroad. Should be possible to avoid the worst of it that way, but I won't be able to cover you. Alright, thanks. Don't shoot and don't get too close. We don't want them to know we're here until we want them to know we're here.
Okay. You're the expert in springing attacks on the unsuspecting.
Trevor, não. O Lamar tá fazendo de refém eles, os balas, né, aqui.
I got this bulldozer. Should make an impact.
Hey, I'm gonna get in position.
Alright, I'm at the spot. When the time comes, I'll do what I can from up here. We might stand a better chance if we come at him from two angles.
Alright, I'll take that on board.
Frank, we'll attack on your signal.
Let's go find the dude.
Laying down fire. I'm moving!
Where you at? T, hey! You see Lamar yet?
Not outside of him! Just guys wearing move!
Ele.
Give us the mouthy one, and we'll... We got! You got...
A friend of ours!
Trevor, dog! You got LD?
I ain't seen him yet! You'll know when I do!
Where's the dog, dude?
Caraca, velho. granada é equiparável.
I got eyes on Lamar! Hey, Lamar! Let's go before they turn you into woodchuck.
Oh, crazy dude! Hey, homie!
Yeah, get up. Let's go.
Come on, guys! You're in force, you gotta move!
Cut your losses! Let us go! Let us go!
Here come the rest of the motherfuckers! This guy's up on the side there!
We go out this way, Mike!
I'll be able to cover us!
Cara, que da hora.
Move it! Quick!
Send the fucking herd already, cowboy!
Go, guys!
Tá vendo aí?
I'll take Lamar!
Alright, I'm going to! Fine, thanks! Is we ever gonna get a proper introduction, dog?
All right, you too! Go! Go, 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 go!
T, call me, dog! I'm gonna come up to the unicorn
Aí,
and
Lamar.
get on your office supplies!
O Michael ajudou a salvar o Lamar. Vamos lá.
Shit, homie, you alright?
I'm
O Lamar
straight up.
acabou conhecendo o Michael.
Jump on me, though.
Legal nessa missão, o Lamar acabou conhecendo o Michael. Ai, ai.
Get you to come all the way out here.
Man, I ain't finna let a little drive stand in the way of a money-making opportunity.
Or get killed opportunity.
Man, you always a pessimist.
Nah, nigga, a realist. Cause in reality, all them fools wanna clap your ass.
Man, what trust that, dog? I peeped out that wood chopping place when we was up this way on the Devin Western Carlet, which I still ain't been paid for.
Igual teve um
All
Weston.
secluded and shit. Stretch hit me up, I'm like, yeah, that's the perfect place to buy kush by the business.
Nigga, perfect place to clap some fool you beefing with.
Man, I ain't even know at the time. I
just thought we was gonna parlay. Parlay? Nigga, please. Every time you leave the house, folks try to clap you. Every meet you set up, homies there for the express purpose of clapping your ass. Man, you sure? Cause I'm sure there's been a few times with... No, I'm completely 100% sure. Every time, nigga. Whether you buying drugs, selling drugs, or discussing drugs. Talking about the weather, whatever. Man, these streets is hard, dawg. This is the hood you talking about. Maybe you forgot, since you've been a veteran yourself, sitting in the house on the hill, looking down on the animals in South Central and shit. Man, you know it ain't like that. Do I, my nigga? Because that's the way it looks to me. I'm making the best out of what I'm giving. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't in some type of mentorship program. The only mentor I got... And we gonna do something about that, dog. Trust me. Man, I ain't got people teaching me that white-collar crime shit. Ain't shit changed for me, and you ain't helping. Ain't helping? What the fuck you call this? Me, Michael, Trevor, we all came up here to help. Hold the fucking Trinity. All is beware with these fools rolling together. Jealous Michael and Trevor? What happened to me and you fucking shit up? Form gangsters, nigga. So I shouldn't have called him, right? And I was doing everything in my power to make sure you wasn't clapped. I can make sure I ain't clapped. Clear next time, homie, don't come. And matter of fact...
Cara, uma coisa que eu prestei atenção que não tem nessas missões. Você viu que o Lamar falou pro Trevor? Cara, me ajuda que eu vou trazer pacote de drogas na Vanilla Unicorn.
Don't bring them Lamar. Man, look, let's not talk next time. Next time, don't get your ass in the situation, all right? It's the hood, Frank. That's what happens in the hood. No, the fuck it don't. Not for everyone. I'm one of them dudes that it happens to. Man, you gonna tell me what's going on back there? Hood shit, homie. That's the shit that's different from the country club shit your overpaid ass is presently accustomed to. Man, put us on this shit, man. Man, you gonna get on his ass. Man, fuck that, homie. Look like I give a shit. Nigga, I give a shit. Stretch do what he do. Niggas want me dead. Dead themselves. I ain't gonna overreact shit. Overreact? Man, that nigga Stretch tried to get you killed, nigga. That's the hood. I'm still here, ain't I?
O Stretch só parece uma missão, mas é o Stretch, filho é inimigo alfa também, tentando eliminar aniquilar o Lamar.
You sure Stretch knew they was gonna book me? Yeah, nigga, Stretch knew. Everybody knew Stretch knew. Tanisha knew Stretch knew, and she don't even come around the fucking hood no more. Damn, that nigga Stretch janky like that? Man, you don't see this? Man, Stretch been screwing us from the start. Like from back in the day. From like the other day, dog. Since after we went to the side.
Então quer dizer que o Lamar saiu com o Stretch durante todo esse tempo, quando estávamos fazendo as missões até no modo história.
Place and D and them ballers try to take us down. But Stretch put in work on D. Yeah, man, that's survival. Remember how angry Sam got, especially with you bringing them into this shit? Alright, but tell me this though. If Stretch was fucking with your boy LD, why he set us up with the deal for the brick in the first place? He go off and make peace with the ballers, come back, and then put us on the lick on Grove Street. Man, you remember Grove Street? That brick was drywall. Ripping us off was probably Stretch's ideal anyway. Damn, you think so? It makes sense, don't it? Man, I ain't knowing, man, maybe. Then Stretch got in with the ballers when he was inside. Us as Marcus, dog, but a bunch of them got booked. So now they gotta come back at us. So Stretch says you out there what they doing a cuss deal. Then you show up and save the day. Yeah, thankfully. Man, it wouldn't even be the same if your boy LD wasn't out here getting in the shit.
Estamos perto da casa de
Know what I'm talking about? Man, I don't know. Man, shit was fun, nigga. Don't tell me you didn't enjoy scrapping like we did back in the day. It ain't back in the day no more, dog. But it felt like it was. Okay, fool. It was fun saving your useless ass one more fucking time. There you go. That wasn't too hard. You should have seen your face when I came in. You was like, shit. Hey, shit, man. Oh, bullshit, nigga. You better check them drawers, homie. You probably shitted yourself. Fuck you, man. I don't care if I die. It's a compliment if they send an army out there. Nigga, they only send like 2 of the little homies to get you. Nigga, you didn't look like they was paying you no compliment, nigga. Must have just caught a glimpse of your ugly ass. Nigga, you think I'm some angel coming to take your ass somewhere you never going to. Oh my God! What is this? Fuck no. Hey! Move your ass! You pray to your white man God, homie. I'm going to the great plain beyond where the buffalo keep on roaming and the little squaw bitches want me to nut on their face all day. Bitch, please.
Oh, deixa. Oh, desgraçado. Cara, polícia, ah, que merda.
Always the same story.
Que azar de merda. Vamos lá.
So I
Peguei você, Lamar.
I guess what we learned is, nigga don't think it ain't no fun to be had fucking with the homies, nigga. You feel me, my nigga?
I guess you can look at it like that.
Yeah,
hey, but on some real shit, my nigga, you know you nigga out here doing BAD, man.
Santo no maior
$50 or something, you know what I'm talking about? It's hard out here.
Oh, shit, nigga, that's nothing.
Shit, I know you done went all Illuminati and shit, you know what I'm saying? Leaving the street niggas in the back, but damn, man, way to keep a nigga down, my nigga. I mean, thank you, I guess. Payment for all the work a nigga put in before you get in them cars and shit, you know what I'm talking about? Give a nigga just enough money to get him a little 40 ounce in the bucket of chicken on the way to the poorhouse, huh?
Man, don't be like that, dog. Cause number one, I never got paid for them motherfucking cars. Number two, I saved those motherfucking ass. No matter how many times you and that tiny motherfucking brain try to get us killed, I saved you, dog.
Eu te salvei.
Those two, my nigga. I thought we was homies for life.
Me too, but I thought we was trying to get out of this bullshit. You live in a fantasy, homie. The best thing you can hope for is a big turnout for your motherfucking funeral.
Nigga, ain't nobody coming to your funeral.
What? Man, what about all the motherfucking times I saved your life, homie? What about that?
Oh, thank you, homie. Thanks for leaving your nigga in the back.
You know what, my nigga? If your ass can just act civilized, you would get started.
Tu arrumava trabalho. Lamar, né? Sai dessa vida, Lamar. O que tá falando aí? Toda vez tem que se salvar você em uma situação.
Who you think I am, nigga? Fuck you, Lamar. Nah, fuck you, F, nigga. I thought we was homies, nigga. But that's some shit that just got past you, my nigga.
You know what, dog? If something good comes up, I hit my dude, man. Chill out, alright?
Yeah, whatever, nigga. You just hit me when you find out what the true concept of friendship is, nigga. We came from the same place.
I know that. I got you, dog. If something good come up, I got you.
Yeah, whatever, nigga. I'm in the turf, nigga. If you remember what that is.
Oh, Steve Haines, Dave Norton.
Hello, Franklin.
Man, I don't know y'all. We done,
hey,
man.
We ain't dead yet, homie. Not yet. Nearly.
Man, what the fuck y'all want me to do? Kill the president? Fuck his wife or something? Or invade some fucking country?
No, something more sensible. Hey, when the timing's right, you're gonna take a trip. Michael will be sensible, but Trevor won't be. Trevor is a liability that none of us can afford.
And Trevor saved you. He saved both of y'all asses.
And it's unfortunate. Hey, if we give you the word, you're gonna do this thing.
Steve Haines.
Man, get Michael to do it. Me and Trevor cool, dog.
Michael
can't do it. Trevor won't let him near.
That's why it's up to you, homie.
Caramba, que isso? Jogar tudo a bomba pro colo do Frank.
Nobody, don't worry about it, nigga.
Hey, flossing ass nigga.
Frank, meu coroa. Nem é tão otário assim. Vou pra estreia do filme. Ah, essa missão que eu queria fazer. Vamos ver. Vamos sair com a Urso. Vamos lá.
I want to do unspeakable things to you.
I'll be waiting for you at the marina.
Encontra o Urso na marina. Aí sim. Vamos lá, galera.
Did you not fucking see me? For fuck's sakes!
Vamos lá encontrar com a Úrsula.
Trevor.
Oh, it's good to speak to you.
My thoughts are with you.
See, Mark, do you treat you well? Have you ever?
You're a sweet boy, Trevor. A sweet man.
Trisha, I really miss you.
I have to go.
Hey there. Wait for you to see what I've done with the house.
Well, ain't that an idea?
I'm so happy that we're boyfriend and girlfriend now.
Oh, you're a sweet girl, ain't ya?
Do it in Mama's bed.
Oh my.
Ah, um lembrete. Bem envolvido.
I hate my life. No! Nearly there. Follow me, you lucky boy.
Oh, sim. Vai passar o dia.
Daddy! Now put the diaper on.
Nossa.
This motherfucker clean.
Vamos ver o que o Frank vai falar aqui, mano.
Man, I'm stoned as a motherfucker. My motherfucking mother. Man, my fucking mother.
Ele está triste, galera, porque a Tanisha perdeu ele. Ah, tá chovendo, eu quero passar o dia, não na chuva.
I gotta train your ass to use the John chop. That's a big ass pile of shit.
Vamos voltar.
By the way, I left turd in the pool. Code brown.
Uou!
I'm out!
Stop shooting up my house!
Reloading!
Dormi mal um pouco.
Hey, little homie. Another turd chop. Oh, I gotta school your ass.
Essa chuva não passa.
last demon polish shit a present for not training you?
Corrida de rua. Eu queria fazer a missão última antes de terminar essa live, mas... Quinta-feira. Oh shit. Soltar de paraquedas. Aí, Frank. Ai, vamos com o Michael. Controlar o Michael. Ai, ai. Tá no meio do deserto. Ó, vai pegar pro Dave.
You made it. Good.
I saved you again, Davey. Again.
Só ver de novo.
So what are you gonna do for me about Haines, the rest of the FIB, the IAA, and everyone else, huh?
History's written by the living, okay?
Okay.
And most of it on Agent Sanchez. I get that story right in the agency and bureau will back up.
Dave
The
Norton.
problem we need to deal with is Trevor.
Trevor? Why?
Trevor, por
Dry
quê?
Merriweather, Chinese gangsters, general insanity, and so on. I can spin Steve that you're controllable, but not Trevor.
Steve.
He's our wounded hero right now. I gotta cozy up to him, calm him down.
Just get me out.
Só me tira dessa. Dave Norton. Chama a nossa esposa Amanda pra sair.
This is Amanda. Unfortunately, I can't come to the phone right now. Namaste.
A última sessão com o Dr. Freelander.
Dave Norton, leave a message.
What exactly is wrong?
Or just sec.
Yeah, you. Fuck off. Now. Fuck you. Shit. Yeah. You ain't too smart, are you?
lógico, roubar de novo. O problema é seu.
You should get some help with that personality of yours. Hey, Rachel, what's up?
Time was, my brother used to know who to trust around. Not no more. For sure.
Wow. You really are the spitting image of my older brother. An excellent purchase.
Vamos ver se os caras estão aqui.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you
Eu vou ligar
require?
pra polícia.
Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
Now, that was nice.
Need to order more pre-cut 2x4s from my dojo.
Show, man.
Yeah, brother.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
Just whatever.
Vamos lá. Olha que da hora isso.
He's fenced me in! Move on!
Cover! Hey, cover!
Where'd he go? Jackass! Damn! Hold it right there! Global hold!
Vamos usar a missão principal agora. Missão principal, galera, Eles. Vai ser até capa desse jogo. Forte.
Hey, you hit me!
Comprar um terno preto. Visita um smoking, aí sim.
Those are so comfortable.
Nunca entrei nessa loja.
que eu conseguir uma carona, ver se arranja um terno foda.
That'll look great on you.
A inauguração da estreia do filme Colapso. Aí sim, hein? Smoking.
Get in the back, Pop. Stop messing around. It's your premiere.
A stretch limo. Oh, that's pure class, Jim.
We have that in multiple colors.
Oh, estreia do cinema. Aí sim, tá bonito, hein? O Colapso. Vamos de limusine preta, galera.
The Oriental Theater on Vinewood Boulevard. Open that champagne, Jimbo.
Woohoo! Me and the big dog getting our drink on.
Hey, where you going with that?
Woo! My dad's a movie producer.
Oh,
Jimmy,
Jimmy,
get back down here.
Which makes me a movie producer's kid.
Jimmy!
I'm gonna write out the next 2 recessions without ever having to work. And I'm gonna get a sports car and a drug habit before appearing on reality rehab show. And then I'm gonna sell my story and become really judgmental. And I'm gonna use all the contacts I make in treatment programs to become a producer too. And I'm gonna make even shittier movies than my dad does. Cause I don't care about movies like him. For me, it's just an opportunity thing. Woo! Yeah! You see the Striz edge losers? Jizzle in the movie bizzle. Hear that, Vinewood? You hear that, Vinewood?
Hey, I hear it, and I don't like it.
We're going to the Oriental Theater on Vinewood Boulevard.
Get back down here.
And not to, like, gawk at celebrities from behind a barrier. We're actually, like, properly invited.
Jimmy.
B to the I to the P.
Jimmy!
Read my neck rolls. Entitled.
Jimmy, vai caber, mano.
T. Titled. Cause I am.
Jimmy!
Oh, Pop, chill. I'm done spraying this shizzle. Let's take a drink.
Jimmy, shut up a second. Hey, Devin, look,
Devin,
I need to say about Molly, man. I'm sorry, but I didn't do it.
I told you to slow it down, Slick.
It was an accident. I was there, but I had nothing to do with it.
Okay.
Sure, yeah, hey. You made a fool out of me, Michael, and that is something I'm not gonna forget.
Look, Devin, I said I'm sorry. I feel bad for you, but you don't threaten me, because this movie's happening, all right? So let's just calm down and try to be friends again.
Oh, absolutely, Slick. Forgive and forget. Namaste.
Nossa, cara. Uau, dentro da limusine, olha como é.
You know, I'm really proud of you, even though you did make a pretty shitty movie.
Whoa.
Thank you, Jim. Where are the girls?
They're at home. You know, they'll express their pride. Late.
Of course they will.
And have you ever thought maybe I shouldn't shoot sex scenes in a green screen kind of environment? Yeah, it's the
down.
And have you ever shot in France? I heard that you like to do a lot of European arty stuff. Yeah, France, you know, the land far.
Thanks, Antonio. Nice and tight. Hey, it's Laszlo on the
Oh,
red carpet of
Laszlo.
Lockdown. Some big stars, some beautiful dresses. We're gonna see some side food tonight. Come on.
We did it! So,
Come on, Richard.
Fuck you, fate! I may be a lecherous old has-been, but I'm a has-been with a premiere at the Oriental Theater on Vinewood Boulevard. I'll see you in there, kid.
shame. I do some acting on the side. I was wondering if,
Oh, yeah, of course. You should come see me, kid. I think I got a project that would be perfect for you.
Oh, that's fantastic.
It's called The Closet. Really modern stuff.
Pervert. Come on.
No.
Let's go over here.
Lying, okay?
No,
I never had surgery. Come on.
Milton, hi. Sorry to bother you. Quick question. Get in here tight.
Tem até aqui. Então, amei.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
When you were that polar bear and you had to eat your baby, I mean, that was...
All right, Jesus Christ.
That was emotional stuff.
Oh, no.
That really affected me.
All right, I gotta go. Thank you so much. Excuse me.
So much.
Come
Oh
on,
my
let's get in
God.
there.
Ah, Laszlo.
Oh, shit. Come on, shit, dick.
Oh, shit.
Where the hell is she?
Looks
Pô,
like she
cadê ela?
stood you up.
Falei.
Hey, hope I'm not too late. I wouldn't miss this
Espera,
in
não
the
tem.
world.
Devin, the fuck are you
Devin,
doing here?
mas que
Hey,
pô você tá
what a
fazendo
movie,
aqui?
huh? Melted.
Que filmaço, hein? O
Congratulations,
Colapso.
Mikey.
Parabéns, Michael.
We did it.
Conseguimos.
Hey, let's get a picture, huh?
É, tirando foto, os últimos momentos, né?
Such a pleasure working with you. You see,
É,
I was here,
veja bem, eu
unlike
estava
your
aqui.
wife. Seems
E
to be
controla meio da
stuck at home.
Marcado em casa. Sua esposa tava esperando a Amanda. Ih, você vai morrer. Vem, Jimmy, vamos.
What's happening? Where's Mom? The girls are in danger. We gotta get to the house.
Dois minutos pra salvar minha família.
What happened? I don't know. This rich asshole is pissed off at me because I didn't shit can the movie. And then his lawyer died, and he just told me he's gonna hurt your mom.
You killed his lawyer? And now he's gonna kill Mom and Tracy?
Vai
He
matar a
ain't gonna
mamãe.
do anything if I gotta say in it.
But you fucking killed his lawyer?
No, I didn't. It was an accident. I would never do anything to put you in danger. Shit.
All right. Okay. He'll be fine. They're tough. This is just a movie guy, right? He's not a gangster or anything.
No, he's not a gangster. He's just extremely rich. He says he's got all these connections. I'm sure it's just talk.
Falta minuto, quase.
If he's done anything to hurt her. Fuck!
That's not a family car.
All right, Jimmy. You gotta hide. I'm gonna find the girls. Daddy's home, you prick!
Amanda! Deixa minha família em paz.
Michael! He's in there with our girl!
Fucking animals!
Do something! Stop it! Help me! Get away from her!
Fighting animals!
Ah, droga! Droga! Não era pra acontecer?
Ron's in the Tracy! We gotta get in there, Michael! He's in there with our girl!
Stop it!
Come on! Do something! Ron's in the Tracy! We gotta get in there, Michael! He's in there with our girl!
Fucking animals!
Do something! Help me!
Stop it!
Help me! Get away from her!
Be quiet! Fucking animals!
I love What? I'm in the Tracy! We gotta get in there, Michael! He's in there with our girl!
Stop it!
Tá isso? Agora deu certo.
Okay. You stay here. Keep your heads down.
Be safe, baby!
Don't you worry about me.
Amanda, olha lá.
Clear the
os caras tá meio do weather. Estão dentro da minha casa, seus desgraçados.
Fire in the hole! Not yet! Stay put! Neither do I! Just keep calm! I'm fine, Tracy. You just stay down, sweetie. Neither do I. Just keep calm.
Daddy? Are you okay?
I'm fine, Tracy. You just stay down, sweetie.
You're going to kill us!
No one's gonna kill you. Daddy's got this.
That's more of that estimate, right?
Mateus viu da porra. Vamos ver se também. Ó, desgraçado!
No, it's not. What was that? Someone there?
Jimmy.
I'm gonna start shooting! Fuck!
Yeah,
Oh,
you
I
like that, don't
see.
you, huh? Take it off. Get the fuck off me!
I thought I
So
was on
dead
that
protein
guy.
pra Jimmy.
So you sit on his face? It's called teabagging? I really fucked him up good though, huh? Hey, listen, I'm gonna make a call. It's all gonna be
Vou fazer uma
okay. Stay
ligação.
put.
Fiquem tranquilos. Dave Norton quer matar o Marco a todo custo. Que situação, hein? Agora no outro dia.
Came to my house, Lester.
Amanheceu no barco, ó lá. Eles vieram na minha casa.
Kids,
Então eu pedi pra mãe das crianças mudar com os dias. Eu vou ter que vocês, mas a mídia vai ter motivo bastante pra ir atrás de você. Eu teve essa também. Eu não estou querendo uma perspectiva leve.
They came after my family.
Já atrás da minha família. Ok, eu não sei o que dizer. Se muda alguma coisa na situação com o União Impostor, nem pensar. Vamos em frente com isso imediatamente. Não se complique mais. Boa ideia. Encontro no... Eu vou ter uma conversa com o Frank e o Trevor. É, meu amigo. A coisa se complicou feia, hein? Galera, não vai acabar aqui? Deixa eu salvar o jogo.